Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some decor. We've got our Norlii box, so let's get into it and check it out. This box is sent to me for review. Since we review it on the channel, I have a link to give you guys down below, and McCarty15 will get you $15 off your first box. I love this box. I love it because it is home decor. Mostly I love it because it's decor, but it's simple. I'm in my more minimal phase of life. I still want it to be warm and lovely, but I'm moving away from the more ornate and that kind of thing. And what the Norlii box brings is Scandinavian design. It is more streamlined, but it is warm. I always find that it's pieces that I can use. And when we get into this month, this is what it looks like. What does that say? I think it says functional, which is perfect. It is a great way to describe this too, because it's gonna be beautiful, but it's gonna be functional. It's always items that I just really love. This says Norlii Functional, the versatility of Scandinavian design. Welcome to the latest edition of the Norlii box, where we celebrate the elegance and functionality of Scandinavian design. That said so much better than I was saying it. That's just what's inside our box. We don't want to know that. Functionality is the cornerstone of Nordic design, where every item is crafted with purpose and practicality in mind. Rooted in simplicity and minimalism, Nordic design emphasizes usability without sacrificing aesthetics. Each piece is thoughtfully designed to seamlessly integrate into daily life, offering both beauty and utility. This focus on functionality ensures that your space is not only stylish, but it is also efficient and harmonious. Exactly what I said. Okay, maybe not exactly. All right. Oh, wow. Straight out of the top, something. Oh, what is this? It's wrapped up in like a Santa sack. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I have that Santa sack and I have a box. All right, well first, let's open the box. Let's save the Santa sack. First, we have the Emu Calm Moment Mildly Scented Soy Candle. Interesting. Mildly scented. Geranium, amber, and jasmine. See, if it's mildly scented, we didn't need to pretend like I was gonna get it. We'll just let them tell us right from the start. Oh, when we take it out, just for the record though, I can already smell it and it smells lovely. And it is nicely wrapped. This is what I mean. How lovely is this? It's just almost like, it feels like a raw stoneware. It's got the white wax on the inside, one wick. It just needs one wick. I can absolutely smell the jasmine. This is kind of floral, but it has that undertone. It's the best way to describe it is it's slightly men's cologne, but going floral. They probably did a better job with geranium, amber, and jasmine. And then the lid matches it. I love that. I love that it's pretty, but that it's not overstated. I'm gonna put this on my candle warmer and see how it warms up. It is mildly scented compared to some of the candles that we do get, but it still has a very nice scent. And just for the record, the inside of both this and the candle is glazed. The outside feels like more of a raw stoneware, but the inside, I'm sure it has a different name, but the inside is glazed on both. Very pretty. What does the paperwork tell us? Scented soy candle in a jar. This long-lasting soy candle housed in a reusable ceramic jar creates a serene atmosphere. After it's burned, repurpose the jar for storing sweets or other small items. Yes, this is the kind of thing that you would absolutely keep in the kitchen. How cute would this be on your stove with your salt in it? I think this would be a perfect salt cellar. I like that a lot. That's the only downside of my candle warmer is I will never burn through it and get to use it for anything else. So I might just have to burn this one. Next out, we have the Santa sack. I wonder what could be in here. I like the bag right away. This would be so cute with toys in it up in the kids' room. Oh, look, it says Norlii. I didn't even see that side. That is so fun. With toys in it up in the kids' room, like put some of their stuffies in it. This will be perfect. Okay, first out we have kitchen towels. Love a kitchen towel. It's from Sadal. We have two of them. They look exactly the same. So let's open this up. So it is more like a, let's see what they call it. It's more like a wash rag. They say it is 2 washcloths. That's washcloths. These are made from 100% cotton terry and feature contrasting edges for a chic look and ultimate comfort. They work perfectly as guest towels, makeup removers, and more. The possibilities are endless. Okay, so these are washcloths, not for kitchen. Although that said, you can use them wherever you want. So one edge is that nice cream. You can see that. The other edge is more of a khaki colored. And the beauty part of this is they also have a little hangy hook. So if in your shower like me, you have a little place where you can hang it, it has a little hanging hooks. We have two of these and it's super soft. I thought it was very soft for in the kitchen, but I mean, I was willing to go with it. And just for the record, they call this color toffee brown. Looks a little bit lighter, but no, it's kind of like toffee, like the inside of a Heath bar. Okay, next out, we have Zone Ume. Let's get into it because I am not sure what it is. This one too is wrapped up really nicely. Looks like it's going to be a jar. It feels so cool. I don't know how to describe the outside feel to you. It almost feels soft, almost like a moleskin, but you can hear it's hard. But hear that, I don't, how do you hear soft? But just like the candle, the inside of this one is glazed. The bottom is rubberized, so it's not gonna slide wherever you put it. I know right where it's going. It's going in on my makeup table. I have been using way more Q-tips lately, and I said the other day I needed something to put Q-tips in, and I think this is going to be perfect. It's gonna hold a ton, but it's gonna look so pretty at my makeup table. That is very nice. Ceramic canister with lid. This elegant canister is perfect for storing small necessities like cotton pads, cotton swabs, hair accessories, and more. It keeps your space organized and stylish. I swear I did not read ahead, but it just is so obviously perfect for all of those things. I love that. And I love that it's not gonna slide on my vanity because I do have a tendency to knock things. We have, oh, it's Avant. It is the Avant Glycolic Capric Triglyceride Shea Butter Age-Defying Sumptuous Glycolic Acid Hand Balm. So I can actually use it. Normally, all of those lead up words end up being something for the face that I can't use because I can't absolutely not use glycolic acid on my face. But it says, we are confident you won't go back to any other hand cream after trying the Avant Age-Defy Plus Sumptuous Glycolic Hand Balm. This luxurious formula provides exceptional nourishment, hydration, and protection. Its compact size makes it perfect for your handbag, bathroom, or nightstand, ensuring your hands are always cared for. I don't know that I have ever tried Avant on my hands. I have a slight, probably unnecessary concern that it might, if I have it on my hands and I touch my face with a glycolic, it won't transfer that much, right? It's just a nice cream. It's kind of thick, feels good. This, I did an Ipsy unboxing a little bit ago. I have washed my hands. This is a blush, bronzer that won't go away. This feels very nice. Oh, it smells great. No, I have absolutely never had this before. That scent is amazing. Can you see look how hydrated the back of my hand looks? And it's not greasy. It's not at all greasy. Okay, and last out we have what they started to spoil for us when they talked about our washcloths, that we could keep them in a basket. How pretty is that? It's metal. It is from Zone also. They made the canister and the candle that we opened. And let me see, there's the bottom. It's kind of a, I'm gonna call it a light gray. It's kind of a whitish gray, but let's go ahead. We could see what they call it. It is lacquered steel with a 20 centimeter height and dimension, designed in Denmark. Nope, that doesn't have an opinion on the color, so I'm going with light gray. Lacquered steel basket, whether used for toiletries or as a decorative piece, this basket adds a touch of sophistication to any room. It is ideal for holding washcloths, adding a plant to decorate a kitchen shelf, or storing fruits. Oh, I like that. Adapt it to fit your needs. I feel like I would like that in a bigger size too. I like that a lot. What I would not do, and this is a me thing, you know me, I'm always gonna be honest to a fault. I would never personally put a cream washcloth with brown edges into a gray basket. I can't. I can't. My brain will not let that happen. To me, that is not aesthetically pleasing. This was fun. I liked this box. This was my favorite box that we've had from them. Well, I was gonna say my favorite box that we've had in a while, but we just had the cake plate and it was gorgeous. And I love it and I use it. I have things sitting on it. It's hard to pick favorites. This was a fantastic box. I love the basket. This canister is really cool and I love that I know what I'm already gonna do with it. I'm gonna put my Q-tips in it. The candle smells fantastic. I will probably burn it as opposed to using it under my candle warmer because I want the prize in the Cracker Jack box, which is the little canister it comes in. That is very cool. The washcloths are lovely. We will absolutely use those. I love to have the little hanging loop on them so they're easy to hang in the shower. And the Yvonne hand cream, which smells fantastic, by the way. Very cool. I will put my link down below for you guys with McCarty15. You will get $15 off your first box. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you are having a fantastic summer and a fantastic day. And please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys.